We've got auto ID in these tips so that the microscope always knows what kind of tip is attached, so it always knows what it's about to inspect.
This is again feedback that we've learned from our customers through many years of being in this industry. One thing we learned is we want to make that inspection operation, the change in personality from single to multi-fiber and back and forth. We want to make that as simple as possible. But there's nothing the technician has to worry about. He just basically just spins it on. That auto ID technology, you can think of it as almost being like a fingerprint that uniquely identifies every single inspection tip that is attached to the microscope. That unique fingerprint allows the microscope to understand what's connected to it and to set itself appropriately so that it's going to produce good images.
The whole process, whether it's MPO, LC, different very small form factor connectors, no matter what it is that you're inspecting, you can change everything quick, you can perform the analysis very quickly, you can save the results and upload those results back to your management in a matter of seconds.